welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to make a DIY origami paper bag. Okay, so these are things which you would need. You would need a 15 into 15 centimeter paper and two small eyes which I have drawn on paper. Then two colored pens. I have taken black and red color. Then I have taken two small strips of paper in the same color and glue. Okay, so let's start. So first you would need your square paper. Now fold it in a triangle. Make a crease and again to this side fold it and make a crease. Open it and then from here to here you will need to fold it. Then the opposite side of this, turn it and fold it there. Now open one side. Now this side fold it till this line. Even this side fold it here. Then this line, it should be like this and fold it here. Even here fold it and make a crease. Now fold it like this. We had the crease here already. Now leaving a little bit of space, make a crease here. See, like this. Now here, not the center line, beside that, till that line, fold it. Even here, till this line, fold it. Open it. Now open this paper, take a pen, and then here you can see mark like this, right? Here make a dot. Even here it's like this, right? Make a dot. Okay. Now this edge fold it till this dot. Even here fold it till this dot. Now turn the paper, fold it like this. Then this, here there's a line, right? The topmost line, fold it this side. Even this line, fold it. Now turn it like this. Push this inside and then fold it. Okay. Since it's a bit complicated, I'll just show you once again. It's like this. Now this top line, right? You need to fold it and make a crease. Even here, like this. Turn the paper, fold this back. And this like this. Okay, you would need to open this and fold this part to this side and fold this back. Turn it and you have a crease here, right, already. That fold it back again. Now this edge, only one sheet. You have two sheets here, just one sheet you need to take and fold it like this. Now turn the paper and you would need to fold this. Now pull it and you would need to open the paper. Now turn this paper. You've got it like this. Turn it like this and now fold it inside even from here. Now open one side, both the sides, and just like I've shown you for the box, you would need to fold this inside. See, it will come like this. Even here, Now I folded it like this. Now this part you will need to fold it inside. So before that, take glue. You will need to apply some glue here and fold this inside. Now similarly as we did here, even here fold it inside. From this side also fold it. Then take glue, apply here and push it inside and stick it. Now it will be like this for you. Now here you would just need to push it inside, and here also, and even here. So the bag is ready. Now let's make the straps for it. So keep this aside and I'll show you how to do with one. So bring this back, take glue, apply some glue here and stick it here. You can allow this to dry. Now turn the bag. In this side you will need to apply some glue and then bring it back, and this edge where we applied glue you would need to stick it here. Similarly with one more strip of paper I have here, you will need to do the same behind also. This has dried. Now I have taken small strips of paper and drawn two eyes like this. Now I am going to stick it here. You can also do any decoration you like. So I have completed sticking and drawing a small mouth for it. You can do anything you like as I told before. So I have made two more bags here and hope you guys like this video. So if you like, please like, share, comment, and also if you're watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Watch you guys in the next video.